This morning we drove to Costco because we knew there was a good chance of a Pokemon restock and we needed some groceries. We ended up grabbing 8 boxes because scalpers are cleaning out the entire inventory in minutes. Some of those were for friends, some to open with our son someday, and some were to open in this video and future videos. We've been working towards completing the set, and we only need 9 more cards from the base set, but we still have to find most of the secret rares. Hopefully in the 20 packs we're opening today, we find some of the special illustration rares, or even the elusive God pack. My fiancée Emily wanted to open some packs with me today, so I let her pick which box she wanted. We have quite a few packs to open, so let's get ripping. Starting off our first pack with the Lightning Energy, Porygon, Electabuzz, Rhyhorn, Tangela, Graveler, Protective Goggles, Arcanine, Reverse Holo Magnemite, Paris, and a Raichu. Quite a few of our viewers have said they enjoy the chill vibe in our videos, and I'd love to hear feedback from more of you and what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. Got a Jigglypuff, Staryu, Charmander, Sparrow, Haunter, Golduck, that's one we actually need, Pinsir, Primeape, Raichu Reverse Holo, and a Ditto. Unfortunately, we weren't able to secure any Journey Together pre-orders, but I was able to grab a few packs on release day from our local card shop. We're on the lookout for more, so subscribe if you want to know when we upload that video. Got an Abra, Diglett, Tentacruel, Snorlax, Sandslash, Reverse Holo Slowpoke, Reverse Holo Tauros, and a Beedrill, another one we actually need for the binder. I'm hoping one of these packs today is a God pack, or even has a special illustration rare. We haven't pulled one yet, and I would really like the Charizard. We got the Krabby, Seal, Doduo, Tentacool, Primeape, Fearow, Onix, Pidgeot, Poliwrath Reverse Holo, and a Mr. Mime. We've seen that card way too many times. I wasn't able to secure any Journey Together pre-orders, but I was able to grab a few packs on release day from our local card shop. We're on the lookout for more, so subscribe to see if we pull that Articuno. Rigid Band, Nidorino, Executor, Reverse Holo Kingler, Reverse Holo Kadabra, and an Omastar. I'll be driving around this week to get some more packs of Journey Together. Both of the local GameStops and our card shop have said they expect more stock and will continue to limit purchases, which I think is great. It's been quite difficult to find packs at MSRP, and I'm way happier walking away with 2 than nothing. We got the Parasect, Giovanni's Charisma, Cloyster, Ponyta, Tangela Reverse Holo, and a Chansey, another one we actually need. On to our 6th pack now. I think this is at least 13 or 14 packs in a row that I've opened without a hit, so surely we're due for something big. Ghastly, Paris, Voltorb, the one in Journey Together looks really good, Clefable, Dugtrio, Haunter, Jolteon Reverse Holo, I think that's another one that we might actually need, and a Golden Switch. It's actually the first gold card that I've ever pulled. Looks like our luck has turned around. And Giovanni's Charisma. It's not the special illustration rare, but still a great card to have. I actually really like that. I'm quite happy to pull those. I'm excited to see what's in these last 3 packs that I'm opening. You all know that Emily has way better luck. Rattata, Squirtle, Lickitung, Dragonair, Seadra, Kabuto, Reverse Holo Farfetch'd, Reverse Holo Seal, and a Charizard EX. Not bad. I know we just got some decent hits, but I really want to pull one of the special illustration rares. Hopefully it's in here. Got Slowpoke, Magmar, Horsey, Abra, Erica's Invitation, Magneton, Nidoqueen, Geodude Reverse Holo, Rattata Reverse Holo, and the Kangaskhan EX. One of the full arts that we do need, so that'll end up going in the binder for sure. On to my last pack, and the last chance at a God pack, or even a special illustration rare. The Holo Energy is a good sign. Paris, Voltorb, Krabby, Sandshrew, Pidgeot, Omanite, Tauros, Farfetch'd Reverse Holo, Psyduck Reverse Holo, and the Dodrio. I'm quite happy with those 10 packs. Honestly, I've been pretty unlucky recently, so those are some really nice pulls to have. And those are all things that we do need for the whole set. So I'm actually really excited to get those. And Emily is going to be opening up her 10 packs next. You know that her luck is always way better than mine. So let's hope she gets something great. Steel Energy to start it off. Execute. Machop, Porygon, Electabuzz, Gloom, Clefable, Dugtrio, Reverse Holo Dodrio, Ditto, and a regular Holo Electrode. I believe last week the only big pull that we had was the Charizard full art, and of course Emily was the one that pulled it. Got the Diglett, Bulbasaur, Dratini, Raticate, Erica's Invitation, Magneton, Tentacool Reverse Holo, Magneton Reverse Holo, and the Ninetales EX. Pretty nice hit. But I think it's one we do already have. We only need one more EX card, and it's the Arbok EX. Ooh, nice Holo Fighting Energy, Ponyta, Poliwag, Pikachu, Growlithe, Pinsir, Builds Transfer, Golbat, Reverse Holo Executor, Builds Transfer in the Reverse Holo, and the Mewtwo, another one we need. It's actually really nice for a regular Holo card. Now would be a great time for a special illustration rare. The Lightning Energy, Grimer, Weedle, Zubat, Goldeen, Charmeleon, Parasect, Cloyster, Zubat Reverse Holo, Cubone Reverse Holo, and another Ditto. Have you guys been able to get your hands on any packs? And if so, like, what are your big hits that you're going for? I really want the Charizard, Blastoise, Venusaur, Zapdos, and the Alakazam SIR from this set. And then from Journey Together, it's really just the Articuno and Wailord. I wouldn't mind pulling Clefairy, but I'd end up trading it probably. Got the Drowsy Reverse Holo, and another Ninetales EX. I think there's a card show coming up this weekend, so if I could get the Clefairy or some other big pulls that I'm not a huge fan of, I might use some of those to trade for the rest of the secret rares, I guess, that I have from 151. If that's something you'd like to see, please let me know. Ivysaur, Slowbro, Venomoth, Machoke, and a Flareon. I know that that's one that Emily will want to put in her little binder. She has a bit of an Eevee collection started up. Starting off with the Darkness Energy, and a Coughing, Tangela, Grimer, Psyduck, Lapras, Cycling Road, Scyther, Reverse Hollow Weeping Bell, Nidoran, and an Articuno. Hopefully we see that one this weekend and journey together. Got the Drowsy, Bulbasaur, Dratini, Growlithe, Slowbro, Machoke, Dugong, Reverse Hollow Jolteon, Hitmonlee Reverse Hollow, and another Electrode. On to the second last pack. Hopefully she gets at least something. Growlithe, Geodude, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Dragonair, Seadra, Kabuto, Marowak Reverse Hollow, Omanite Reverse Hollow, and a Dodrio. On to the last pack. I don't think Emily has ever gone opening up even one pack without getting a hit, so this would potentially be a first. Poliwhirl, Kakuna, Butterfree, Lapras again, Cycling Road, Erica's Invitation Reverse Hollow, ooh, and the Mew EX Gold, and the Flareon. We definitely need that Mew Gold card, so that'll end up going in the binder too. It's definitely the best gold card in this set. So we got the Mew EX Gold, Switch Gold, both really, really nice cards. Giovanni's Riz, full art, and the Kangaskhan EX full art. Honestly, not too bad. We also traded for this Pikachu earlier in the week for one of our extra War Turtles. Quite happy with that. And at the release night for Journey Together, we copped this Psyduck. We traded with one of the guys that was there trading on trade night. So we could put the Beedrill in the binder with the Golduck, Arcanine, Chansey, Jolteon, Mewtwo, Kangaskhan EX full art, Giovanni's full art, Mew EX Gold, and the Switch Gold. We honestly filled out quite a few spots in the binder, plus the Pikachu and the Psyduck that we traded for. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please subscribe.